Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Welcome back to Poetry and Police.
Me think that what really cause a divide, the main thing that cause a divide still. I think when the team did go a Montego Bay one time, when Montego Bay did a runner with crime.
Yeah. I remember that time because I went to Montego Bay at that time and at one point down there I met Adams down there, you know. They have some duties are going on. Pews we go for operation with them.
Yeah. And Butch Stewart get Adams 50,000 US. And being in charge of the unit. Adams never get Pews not even $1. As the second in command. Yeah. He take everything for himself.
With them the type of greed, brethren, then I mean, a man tell me I already saying greedy bad enough, but I never know see how I go. Think I just talk, man, I talk. Because I have him in our lifestyle, you know, I had him in high regards, you know. Papa me call him, you know.
So the things that that's where them things that come from. You see what I say? A man like that can't be commissioned.
But you feel that the minister or the authorities knew that he was that type of police and that's the reason why he never could get commissioned in the first place. Because I thought he did not get commissioned because he just loved the media too much. You get me, I say?
No. So just like how me I say things, you know, people I say things to the heart.
Yeah, and you hear about the unspoken word sometime. And I guess him know too.
You see what I say?
I thought, at one point, that before he retired, I thought they would have given him a chance to at least prove to the country that he could have been a better commissioner than the ones that they were choosing. You know what I mean? But, I've spoken to many people about Adams and being commissioner of police, and people always say he's a politician, you know what I mean? So, he could never be a commissioner.
And then, them little man here, for this music, who was the second in charge. And them man here did like constables and corporals.
Yeah, and that should have never been done.
You see what I say?
So, I'm afraid of them man, sir?
And them billing, without them, him and nobody. But people don't know them thing, yeah.
Including me, I never knew them things, because like I said to you before, I always have him in high regard, because I don't really talk anything about a man I don't know, You see me, I say, so all of these allegations now, we know we're here now.
Alright, like him alone go up on the road now, go fight.
Him alone can't fight crime. When you say Adams was like a team player, The only time I have respect for Adams because I say, boy, he's a man that back him team. You know what I mean? He's a man that back him team. That I will respect him for that.
But I can tell you the thing, no?
Yeah, but we never know say he would have ventured in them the type of corruption they bring in.
I'm gonna tell you something else. Adams are bad like Pusey.
Then you don't have to tell me that I work with Pusey. I know say Pusey are the real gang. Come on, man. Come on. I knew that. We're not the street too, we are the police work long time too, we have fight crime with Ox and Cowboy them and everybody. Adams don't even bad like Ox. You see me, I say. You get me, I say, Ox are real general in a certain way. You see me, I say. Brave. You see me, I say, Ox brave, Ox are one of the bravest policemen, You see me, I say. So, but I work with Pusey and Pusey, but brave man, Pusey a super police. Because I work with that at Pusey. Man, I respect police who work hard too.
Yep.
Tell you that. Yeah, man. And take care of police who work hard too. I tell you that. If Pusey tell you say I'll buy you a drink and give some good spot of work where you do, if I go tell you say check him later, I'm going to talk to one of them friend them say, business friend them say if you can get the money if you give your team, get a team there because they perform good. You know what I mean? I saw him operate. You get me, I say. And me work with Pusey and them man never mention and talk about corruption.
Adams go Britain. Problem. Adams go Accra. Problem. Adams go Jakes Road. Problem. Adams go Backbush.
probably a problem on the yard too. Oh my God.
You got American problem? I think four over Nightingale Grove. Easy like Sunday.
Tuesday's a gentleman, man. We rate Tuesday 100%. I never, like I said to you before, I never really worked with Renito Adams before. I just, me just hear of his exploits.
I'm not even going to tell you. But we're going down at Tivoli July. I mean, who are going this man for the commissioner? Tell me.
Yeah, because it would appear as if you can't control your soldier them.
This man, commissioner is not somebody who are going to bring the work in a mix-up and problem and drama.
True, still a true, man. I know, so still, I am guilty of thinking that, I am guilty of the thinking that at one point I was saying that a real hardcore man as commissioner of police, like, like, we probably could have do something in terms of crime and violence. Because, boy fear certain police like bigger food and hawks, them and cowboy, them and all that. But boy still do things. No matter how boy fear, them still continue with them crime, brother.
Hey, but them the police don't exist again.
Police are now going to exist again.
Never.
Area done and gone.
Alright.
The area they done and gone. That's what I say.
Them area there from Joe Williams come up and he done.
He done right, like you say. He done. That now come back. So I say, them have to try police Jamaica a different type of way, which them are bringing camera and all these things. That is how it have to go now. I mean, you have to work with the tide right, So I say, the force is changing and, Jamaica crime will get worse, but the force is also changing. So let's see how they adapt and see how they can change the whole crime situation. But at the same time, you can't out there, my brother. You can't out there say you fight crime and involved in a corruption, You can't do two. You have to do one. If you want one, you have to do it, brother. You can't do two. You can't go out there and behave like LGBTQ. Like if you say you're a kettle, man, say you're a kettle. If you're a crime fighter, you're a crime fighter and nothing else. You can't go there and say you're a crime fighter and yet you're in a corruption. The police can be done at the same time, the police and criminal at the same time. You see me I say that you can't be one. You see me I say? You can't be only one, brethren. You can't defile the force with your corruption. You better leave. Enough boy don't understand this, When you hear a boy say, most boy when you hear them talk about certain police, like a good police, that them know the reason why I say I'm a good police, kind of allow certain things to happen. And then it's when you're police and you get yourself involved in a certain criminal activity and mix up with all criminal out the road. Then the rate you as police again, them see you as one of them, So any little violation, them are ready to slap out your head back,
Anybody love him, I do something wrong. Remember that. You don't know,
I never know, I saw them the corrupt still in the road, boy. I'm glad for the reach out. Because like me said to you, I have the man in high regards. I know other member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, they have him in a high regard too, like myself. And what you're alleging now, if I saw it really go, brethren, then I lose all respect for him right now. You need to all come off of social media and stop chat.
People know, but some of them friends will come out, though.
Probably all of that to people, my afraid, yes.
But you see, me know, say, you see, and them man, they building like that, you see me?
It's good to talk with somebody where, like me, I hear it from my horse's mouth, somebody there on and see what really I got down, what went down, and know the type of man that we were dealing with, you know what I mean? And then the man can't lead Jamaica out of criminal activity, brother, because them themselves in a criminal activity, you see me, I say?
Yes, man.
And then animosity non-stop building up. Because when you take a boy drugs out the road and not give them back, kill them, want to kill them as police. That's why sometimes some police, so when you see some man slap out some police head back a road, you have to, and you say, but what them involved in? You see me I say? When you're a real crime fight out the road, you slap a boy, you lock up boy, and man, I think about killing him, man, all that say, if they have gone for true, or you are the man of them job, don't. But like we said before, once you're a criminal, you're a police and you behave like you're a criminal, and you operate as a criminal, the boy them are not going to have respect for you again. Because they will see you as one of them. And any little violation, they're ready to slap you a long time. They don't respect you as a police anymore. Well, like I said, I'm glad for the eye opener, you know, and, you know, I saw the Jamaican people are going to say about this, you know, and the Adams fan. When you hear that Adams fan, the Adams fan is like, Adams is not so prim and polished as how we think. You see me?
The Adams fan, them are say, Rada.
I have some loyal supporters out there, and, you know, we hear them have to say about the whole thing, you know, because the corruption was at the highest level as far as I'm concerned, based off of what you say right now. You see me?
Alright, boss.